So what is probate? Probate is the court process that your assets have to go through when you pass away. And your assets will have to go through probate unless you've put in estate planning measures to avoid it. So there are many reasons why one would want to avoid probate. The first is that it's very expensive, costs about 5% of the probatable estate. So if you add up your checking account, your savings accounts, all your brokerage accounts, any real estate that you own, take all of those assets, add them together, multiply them times 5%, and that's about how much probate is going to cost. Probate is time consuming. It takes about 12 to 18 months to get your assets through the probate process, through the court system, and during that time your assets are not going to be available for use, which can be a problem if somebody is relying on them. Probate is also public. So any will that's making its way through the probate system is a public document. Anyone can go down to the courthouse, take a look at whatever wills are down there. It's completely public. So one common misconception is that you can avoid probate by having a will, and it's actually the exact opposite. If you have a will, you are guaranteeing that your estate is going to go through probate. If you pass away without a will, it's the exact same thing, except it's even worse because the courts will have no idea what you would have wanted, and they'll just distribute your assets according to the laws of intestacy. So again, having a will guarantees that you're going to go through probate. The only way to avoid probate is through a revocable living trust. And this is a document that you put into place while you're still alive, and you move all of your assets into the trust with the help of a lawyer, and you still maintain full ownership of your assets. You can sell them, you can buy new assets, put them into the trust, move assets in and out of the trust. Nothing changes from that perspective. There's no separate tax ID number that needs to be set up. So you move your assets into your trust, and then when you pass away, all of your assets will be distributed according to the terms of the trust outside the court system. And it will take much less time. It can take as little as a few weeks or a month. It can happen in an attorney's office. It's very private, and it completely bypasses the court system. Also much less expensive. So if avoiding probate is something that you're interested in, the answer is to set up a living trust with the help of a lawyer, and you will make things a lot easier on the people that you love.